Hi guys, welcome to School Now. I hope you are all doing safe and sound. So today I'll be starting off with Introduction to Trigonometry class 10 and I'll be doing the first 3 problems from the first exercise. Let's get started with the first problem. So we're given a triangle ABC and the angle B is 90 degrees. So ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. So also whatever question you're going to solve, just draw the triangle first, so it makes it easier for you to solve it. Solution. So you have, this is let's say B, right angle, ABC, and also the values are given here. AB is 24, BC is 7. So just write it down on the triangle. AB is 24 and BC is 7. So now we have to find sin A cos A and sin C cos C. So what you have to do is, whenever any two sides of a triangle, right angle triangle are given, just find this third side. Okay? So we know by Pythagoras theorem, we have A square plus B square equals C square. So here we need to find AC. So AC is your C. So you have AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So now we know AB is 24, so you have 24 square plus 7 square equal to AC square. So we have AC square is equal to 24 square is 576. You can just calculate using your calculator or whatever, and 7 square is 49. So now AC square is equal to 625. You just add them, and AC is equal to root of 625, which is 25. Okay, now we've got AC. Just mark it here. Now we have to find sin A. Now we know that any sin theta is equal to opposite of that angle, opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the side that is opposite to the right angle. Okay. Now we have A instead of theta. So sin A is equal to, what is opposite to A? It's BC, right? So you write 7 by hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle. So which is 25. And that's your answer for sin A. Now let's move on to cos A. Cos A is equal to, we know that it is adjacent by hypotenuse. Now what do you mean by adjacent? Adjacent is the side along which both the needed angle, that is theta, and the 90 degrees lie on. So whatever, as you can see here, the adjacent side for angle A is AB, right? Because both A and 90 degrees lie on it. So you have 24 divided by hypotenuse is 25, which will be the same. Now that is your cos A. Now we need to find sin C and cos C. We're done with this. Now so sin C is again opposite by hypotenuse, but it is opposite to angle C. So which is AB. 24 by hypotenuse is 25. Now cos C is adjacent by hypotenuse. Now the adjacent side is 7 BC, because both the angle C and 90 degrees lie on it. So it will be 7 by 25. So that's your answer for the second subdivision. That's your first problem. So now we move on to the second problem. So here the triangle is already given, so you don't need to draw it again, and the values are also given. So this is PR. So PQ is 12 and PR is 13. Now we have to find tan P minus cot R. So now an expression is given and you have to find the value of it. So first of all, as I've told you, two sides of a triangle are given. Now you have to find the third side, that is QR. so that the question is complete. So what you have to do is use Pythagoras again. So here your hypotenuse PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So now we need to find QR. QR square is equal to PR square minus PQ square. We're just bringing PQ to this side, which will be the minus. So we know PR square is 13 square minus PQ is 12 square. So 13 square is 169 minus 144. So that will give you 25. QR square is 25. A lot of people make the mistake. They just write QR is 25. So QR is equal to root of 25, which is 5 centimeters. I haven't written the centimeters here, but you can just write it. So now we know that tan theta is equal to opposite to the theta by the adjacent side to the theta, right? So we have tan P. So to P, the opposite side is QR, right? So it will be QR divided by the adjacent, right? Opposite by adjacent. Adjacent side is PQ because both P and the 90 degrees lie on it. So it will be PQ equal to 5 by 12. That is tan P. Keep it as 1. Now, cot R, right? So for cot, it is the exact inverse of tan. So that will be adjacent by opposite. So you have to watch out for the angles they have asked. Just don't inverse this and write it down. That's a major mistake. So you will have adjacent to R is QR, right? So that is 5 by opposite, that is 12. Now you have tan P minus cot R. Let's take it as 2 equals to 1 minus 2, which will give you 0. So that's problem 2. Let's move on to the third problem. So here we are given the value of sine A, right? And we have to find cos A and tan A. So the triangle is not given here like the last problem. So what do you have to do? Is draw the triangle. So we know that sine A is 3 by 4. So you can write sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, right? So from this we can say that it's given 3 by 4, but any fraction can be simplified to 3 by 4, right? So like let's say 9 by 12 is also 3 by 4, right? So let's just multiply the 3 and 4 by a factor k, which will make it more sensible. So we have 3k by 4k. Now we draw the triangle. I mean, you can leave out the k if you want, but this is more of a detailed version, I can say. So let's say A, B, C, again, right angle at B. Now we have opposite by hypotenuse. So sine A, this is sine A, right? So that will be, opposite is BC, so 3k, and this is 4k. So now what do you have to do? Find third side, because two sides are given. Using Pythagoras, we can say that, AB square is AC squared minus BC squared. Because we know AB squared plus BC squared is AC squared. Now, is equal to AC squared is 4k the whole square minus 3k the whole square. We have 16k squared minus 9k squared. So we have 7k squared, right? So AB is root 7k. k. K will be outside the root because it's square, so it gets cancelled. So this is root 7k. So now we can easily find cos A and tan A. Like before, we know that cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is root 7k and hypotenuse is 4k. So the k and k gets cancelled, we get root 7 by 4, right? So this is cos A. Now for tan A is opposite by adjacent. So what is opposite to A? It's 3k. Adjacent is root 7k. So 3k by root 7k. So k and k gets cancelled. We get 3 by root 7. So that's your tan A. So that's your problem 3. So we're done for the video today. I hope you liked it. And please do like, share and subscribe and stay safe. If you have any questions, just write in the comment box below and I'll be right here to help you. Stay safe guys. Goodbye.